Hi! In front of me is inHonor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Home Screen and Wallpaper. Now select Themes section located at the top. Click on the best theme for you and hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. You can find even more themes by going into Themes app and applying one of the available ones the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!